Hello everyone! We're back sa ating pong online mentoring, and this week, I would like to talk about the small God's creature, but they are so wise. So yan ang ating title message, Small But Wise. If you want to make a difference in this world, then pay attention to the metaphor of the ant. Yan, mga langgam. Sabi nga po ng Proverbs chapter 30 verse 25, ang mga langgam, kahit mahina, nag-iipon sila ng pagkain kung tag-araw. It's so amazing that one of the smallest of God's creatures can become one of our greatest teachers. Proverbs 30 verses 24 to 25, there are 4 things that are small on the earth, but they are exceedingly wise. The ants are not a strong people, yet they prepare their food in the summer. I would like to share with you yung pong acronym na ginamit po ng isang leadership expert, si John Maxwell, wherein hinighlight po niya yung mga admirable qualities of ants that we can emulate. So letter A stands for attitude of initiative. You see, yung mga langgam, they don't need a commander to tell them to get started. So without anyone telling them what to do, ang mga langgam po, sila po'y nagsisimulang magtrabaho para mag-gather ng food in the summer because they know that winter is coming. So ano po yung lesson sa atin? Let us make every opportunity and take action without waiting for external motivation. Dapat nandun yung ating initiative. Kahit walang mag-utos sa atin, tayo po ay magtatrabaho, tayo ay maglilingkod at ibibigay natin yung ating pinaka-best sa paglilingkod, of course, sa Panginoon. And in everything we do, kailangan ibigay natin yung ating best. And letter N, the nature of integrity. You see, ants work faithfully and need no outside accountability to keep them doing the right thing. Alam po ninyo, yung integridad po ng mga ants, it drives them to do what is right. So as Christians, let us cultivate this same sense of integrity by developing self-discipline and holding ourselves accountable to every value and goals in life. And letter T, the thirst for diligence. Ants work hard and will replace their anthill when it gets ruined. Napakasipag. Wala po kayong makikitang langgam na tumatambay o walang ginagawa. Ibig sabihin, the word katamaran ay wala po sa vocabulary ng mga langgam. You see, dahil alam nila that their colony will suffer if they don't store up enough food in summer. So in the case of our spiritual growth, we will suffer too if we neglect to diligently care for our souls. So kailangan magsipag tayo. Tayo mismo, in-nourish natin ang ating mga spirito. Tayo mismo, gawin natin ang lahat ng pag-aaral, mag-effort tayo para po tayo mag-mature. Sabi nga po ng Deuteronomy chapter 4 verse 9, only take care and keep your soul diligently, lest you forget the things that your eyes have seen, and lest they depart from your heart all the days of your life. So people, make the most of every opportunity. Huwag nating pakakawalan ang bawat oportunidad na ibinibigay ng Diyos sa atin. Magsipag po tayo. Huwag tayong pa-relax-relax. Huwag tayong magpapatumpik-tumpik. Let's get rid of the spirit of complacency and laziness. And letter S, they are source of insight. Yung word meaning ng insight is the power or ability to see into any situation of life. Bakit kaya mahalaga na meron tayong insight? Because it will help us understand what and why something is happening. Tingnan natin yung mga langgam. Meron silang insight because they are preparing for the future while they can. Because they know that winter nga will come. At ano po yung significance ng winter time sa atin? Pwedeng dumating yung karamdaman, sakit, kahirapan, or even kamatayan. So habang tayo'y malakas, let us prepare, let us serve, amen, while we have the ability. And did you know that ants can lift 10 to 50 times their body weight? Wow, what an insight, no? So in the same manner, tayo po dapat nag-extra mile. Huwag nating nililimitahan ang ating po mga sarili. Let's push ourselves sa ating mga limitasyon para po tayo ay mag-explore, mag-expand. Amen? And I have to say, I have been impressed with the persistence and tenacity ng mga langgam which were trying to build their nest in our house. They don't easily give up easily, no? Hindi po sila basta-basta nag-give up yung mga langgam, no? And let us consider and learn from the ways of the ant. You see, they are very small but very wise. Yes, in the same manner, we may be small in the standard of this world, but if we become like the ants, ano po, na ating pong pinag-asapan, then we will be wise. Hindi lang tayo magiging wise sa buhay na ito, but even in our spiritual life, in our spiritual discipline. So there you have it. Let us be like ants. They are small but wise. God bless everyone.